This is the Gazette of India Extraordinary. The Gazette notification has come. Bill number 15 of 2026. A bill further to amend the Constitution of India. In this bill, kindly come to para 5. Para 5 says, for Article 130 of the Constitution of India, the following articles shall be substituted, namely 131. The Supreme Court established under the clause 1 of Article 124 shall comprise of the Constitution bench sitting at New Delhi and 4 permanent regular bench of the northern, southern, eastern and western region, which shall sit at New Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata and Mumbai respectively. In paragraph number 2, the bill says that the Constitution bench at New Delhi shall be only cases which are of constitutional importance. Explanation which says the Chief Justice of India shall have exclusive power to determine which cases is to be classified as a case of constitutional importance. In paragraph number 3 says, the 4 permanent regional bench of the Supreme Court shall exercise the full jurisdiction of the Supreme Court of India except over cases to be heard by the Constitution. The territorial jurisdiction of the permanent regional bench of the Supreme Court shall be as follows. Kindly see. A. The North Region bench of the Supreme Court at New Delhi shall head with all cases except cases to be heard by the Constitution bench arising out of the state of Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Delhi and Chandigarh. And B. Southern Region bench of the Supreme Court at Chennai shall deal with all cases except cases to be heard by the Constitution bench arising out of the state of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Union Territory of Puducherry, Lakshadweep. In C category, the Eastern Region bench of the Supreme Court at Kolkata shall deal with all cases except cases to be heard by the Constitution bench arising out of the state of West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, Jharkhand, Assam, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Meghalaya, Manipur, Tripura, Mizoram and Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Island. And D category, the Western Region bench of the Supreme Court at Mumbai shall deal with all cases except cases be heard by the Constitution bench arising out of the state of Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Goa, Union Territory of Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, provided that the Chief Justice of India may, interest of administration of justice, transfer any cases pending before any permanent regional bench to any other permanent regional bench or the Constitution bench, provided further that when case involve the same substantial question of law or the same subject matter are pending before 2 or more regional bench, the Chief Justice of India may direct that all such cases be heard by any one of the regional bench. As per the Government of India, these changes will be done when the amendment bill will implement in the Indian territory.